when you kind of look how learning actually occurs in the brain, there's all kinds of activity. Like if the first time you play tennis, your stroke is all over the place, you're missing things. But once you see a tennis player who's played it for 20, 30 games, right. It's a very efficient neural pathway firing. They can put the ball right where they want to. Motion gets more efficient. And I think learning anything is kind of like that. And, you should take the time to play 20 games to get good. You should use all these
right.
tools. And so I think that's right. But there's also this effect in business where once you start using these tools and tokens more, it allows these labs to provide the service at much lower cost to get more efficient in understanding kind of the nature. And suddenly you see kind of the parallel of the cost per token is dropping dramatically. And as the cost per token drops dramatically, there is a clear pattern of people tend to spend a lot more. And so what I'd say is there's absolutely waste, but I think if the cost curves keep dropping down and also if people can spend more efficiently, I think there is a strong economic case that you might see a lot more spend growth to come.
Right. Jevons paradox, essentially.
Jevons paradox.
Right?
That is the term.
Right.